So today I'm going to be pinning this full weave in. I'm going to pin her weave in. So I left her a horseshoe size amount of hair out at the front for coverage. See? So just imagine if you can't find your stylist, you got your bundle, and you can't get your weave in, and you don't want to glue it. You can just pin this weave in. Comb the hair back in a low ponytail at the occipital bone, and let's start pinning this weave in. So the way to lock in bobby pins is to make like an X formation like that. So right here where we're just starting this weave off at, we're going to make that X formation. Okay, so we've made our X formation right at the beginning of this weft, and we're going to continue on. Just trim that for my sake, but if it's your bundle and you don't want to cut it, don't do that. So this is 4 tracks, so it's doubled. And so my next point of that double bobby pin procedure is going to take place right at this ponytail. Have my X, and I'm going to continue on to this right side and do the exact same thing. I'm going to pin it. I'm going to make a double X right here at the hairline, and then I'm going to zip it back the other way. Okay, so we're finishing up stabilizing this weave with some bobby pins. So I brought you guys back in so you can see me as I go finish up this job. So we're making X's with bobby pins. I'm putting it right over top of it, and as I carry it back, we're going to do that same strategy and put that bobby pin right over top of that other bobby pin and kind of direct it towards the hair, so it don't be sticking out the top. And so we'll do the same thing over here. And direct it back. This is my last track. I'm going to put these bobby pins directly under the placements that I just made. So do not wear this hairstyle for traveling, because you have all the bobby pins and you'll certainly set off the metal detectors. So this is just for the party. You can't get your hairdresser, she's booked up. You already got your hair. You don't want to glue it in because you don't want that mess, and you don't want to, damage your hair if you just want it for a party night. So put that in, crisscross, take it right back over top of it. And direct those pins directly under the ones you just placed, making that X. You see it? Okay. Okay, so we're finished with that bobby pin install. So what we want to do is go back to the front of her hair, just make her center part or slightly off center part, and comb that hair directly over the weft. I'm going to give her some teasing because she is a doll and the hair is not quite matching. So I control hair, I'm sorry. So I'm going to then overcome that. And so with her hair being slightly lighter, it just looks like highlights, which is perfect. But for this party, she has hair. She has a full weave. In her hair that's just been pent. It's just been pent. It's her part ponytails under there. But we're not worried about that. We're just trying to get to this party, and our hairdresser couldn't take us, and we needed our weave done. So there you have it. A full weave, and then you can tell. You can't tell. You can't tell. Thanks for watching.